ubwanyuma y'amashomero ga government kunagirwa bw'abantu barukwirukangiza abana babo mu mashomero g'abantu buntu ningashi private schools hati bihindukire ubwanyuma y'abashomire buri ngo primary school okutawehurira yo kumbeka ishomero ryabe ryabahinduire kibara hati
we get this building done. We are going to renovate the other one. Rotary, the other one. The Tikulaz family, the building will come later. Buringo is going to change.
Hatom harum president so. Harumba minister. Harumba general manager. Harumba chief of party. Harumba member of parliament. Harumba RDCs. Omumrimwe. Hati mwa mtajizere kugira kurazya kuri nkunga manore bantu tamzibije.
Okutawe hurreje babiri no basimo kwikagiye kwabeja bahereze kibina cya mushanje umwaka 2025 aho bongira bashomeza hamwe n'abantu muhimbo gukwikirizamu ubwo bari kushomera hamwe no kushomeseza buri ngo primary school.
Education is the key to your future. Every lesson you attend, every book you read, every effort you make brings you closer to your dreams. Do you have dreams?
Every distinction, 50,000. Every 50,000 for every distinction. And now, that one starts now.
Dr. Agustin Mwebesa hireyo bushaho 500 bwa siminto kureba ngo bahunduza ishomero ryabo ryagaruka mutindo kandi agumiza mu yahereza beje 30 mifarasi n'ibindi bikoze subwa okuba kwataraho kumura ko musini yayo kubanza.
Remember where you come from. I remind my brothers, I say I'm what I am because of my primary. The teachers, I thank you so much for what you have put for these children.
Omukorohu abana kwaheze kuhika kurunje munonga twina parliament yareja bashomira aha yahasumu kwatangiye tutaho okutukurusya abamwe bajangwa abana kurije cyo bakora bashimiye kubamba simwa kandi bakorwa imbaga.
You to bless these items which we are going to give to our children, to the teachers.
Uburingo primary school norumwe amashomera garuka bimunongo mbyombeko bite myaka mice hingwira tandikire gukora kurunje ecayiriza abashomire yabara umugodo naturinda Dr. Mwebesa nabandi okwimukira mu kuruhwera makuru agagasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif.